In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find high probability trade setups using the Crypto Heatmap on TradingView. Successful trading isn't about guessing, it's about identifying where the money is flowing in real time. The Crypto Heatmap is a powerful visual tool that lets you see the entire market at a glance, helping you spot relative strength and weakness instantly. By filtering through thousands of coins, we can isolate high-probability setups before they make their major move, saving you time and giving you a clear edge in the market. First, open your web browser and navigate to TradingView.com. Before you dive in, ensure you are logged into your account. Being logged in allows you to save your preferences and seamlessly transition between the heat map and your personalized charts. Once you are on the home page, hover over the Product tab in the top navigation bar. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several of TradingView's core features. Under the Screener section, click on Crypto Heatmap to launch the visual interface. You will immediately see a sea of blocks representing different cryptocurrencies, but we need to organize this data to make it useful. From there, navigate to the top left toolbar and locate the Group By setting. This is where you define how the data is organized. You can set this to category to identify which specific sectors, such as DeFi, meme coins, or Layer 1s, are leading the market. This is great for seeing if a specific narrative is pumping. Alternatively, you can keep it on No Grouping for an asset-focused view that displays the coins purely on the next filters we apply. Next, click the Size button located right next to your grouping options. This determines how large each block appears on your screen. You can select Market Cap to visualize large cap stability and see how the blue chips of crypto are performing. However, if you are looking for where the current hype is, select 24-hour volume. This allows you to identify where the most active trading liquidity is currently concentrated, which is essential for finding assets with enough volatility to trade. Now we need to look at the actual price action. Locate the Color By setting and choose Performance. This changes the colors of the blocks based on price change over a specific period. You will then need to select your desired time frame. For example, you might choose 1D to see significant daily moves, or 1H if you are looking for immediate intraday momentum. Once your heat map is configured, it's time to scan the interface for outliers. These are the specific blocks that stand out from the rest of the pack. You are looking for boxes colored in deep saturated green, which signifies extreme strength, or deep dark red, which signifies extreme weakness. When the rest of the market is gray or light pink, but one coin is bright green, you found a potential high probability setup. Once an outlier is identified, click on the specific asset block. This will open an information panel on the side of your screen, giving you a quick snapshot of the coin's price and volume data. To take things a step further, right-click the box. This will give you the option to transition to the Overview and Technical Analysis editor, where you can see the full candle chart. Finally, you must confirm the trade setup on the main chart. The heat map tells you what to trade, but the chart tells you when. Check for alignment between the heat map data and your technical indicators. Look at your RSI levels to see if the asset is overextended. Identify key support and resistance zones, or use the volume profile to see if the coin is trading at a high interest price level. When the heat map's momentum aligns with a clean technical breakout or bounce, you have a high probability trade. In summary, the Crypto Heatmap is your shortcut to finding market leaders and laggards without scrolling through hundreds of individual charts. By grouping by category, sizing by volume, and hunting for color outliers, you can spot the best opportunities in minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tips and strategies. Happy trading!